Anyway, I'm more drama about Adom TV. So, Brasso see the big agenda. You made the bro, and then come out here, DNA, Cape Coast. Cape Coast, na abai cratch penny, or penny bony dean, Yera Ernest Arthur. See, I be confirming, see, and confirming. Assembly members in the gay in a quash one preno. But Sabia at Tia Senka, Nipa be per se for country say, Quine Bisso, Nanka, or she say, about one or two papa to swap by Jenny Tum could so Atija, I'm a coffin sempi in a diaba. And Ocresa, na home put Neshasie, you be young to was here, and you be a mafia, say me bet me abwa, sa confirmation, and come out baby big agenda soon, and you may did Nana say, Apple for Jimmy more, Johnny more quaba, your baby didn't come. After Yamwa quaba, be me and Shan Comono, I say, you go straight to Cape Coast. Now, Yadi and Yabba Macafu justice, or in same Trinia, on a brief your tongue crefri, Edemaya, Yanin in Comocafu, Yamwa Quaba. Hello, Kafu. Kafu, you need to say
what?
I'm say Kafu intimate Kapapana. You better na ya check Kafu line na ya share. And you be a wine mastermind day senka yem faculty ko biso na yen hihye ne mabia. You be gina so dey a confirm the municipal chief executive and metropolitan chief executive Edma Cape Coast Yera Ernest Arthur. Set ye bia no yensaka Kafu you bitimi acheche mu ne ekwan fa so a etote ye ni empo assembly members ameka say wobuofu ho dendenden ewa na muntu anipa bi omo kire se omo pese omo tuo in a mafia way na omo de ye nipa omo de omo susu se omanfo do na empe no confirmation no ye hwe se yensa beka na Kafu you timi kan.
Hello
Kafu. Kafu.
Yes.
O phone no na nya na.
Oh, that be a question the name take you.
Okay, fata waso yi na ye hwe. Ede airport na ekoso Cape Coast CC fa MC confirmation no.
Yo, as when you show you government cinema about to them last okoto ya no ho ban sam bebre ni. Emprempre ya nyu ka say easy. Want to me ensure that what about to aba. Na oye ende anape na concern assembly members binum what say there. Why you said over akoto aba wa bra na won mo hona manje won ma won kra che biara. Na mum the information na wa fake in there. Safia order oye assembly hall ho be what to abanano no waka sesan oye Safia order the meaning na abreku na ranso no for the what to about without the mo send one kan ho a otum form forum na otum ato aban mo aye nto oye anapa no nsia na nkadam jumedin record na won so what say no woko but in print ye ka say dey about to na mo see say den ko orobado no wenya ambado.
Na sa concern assembly members no so munya some information no wey say about one mekoso ne.
But that's it.
Concern assembly members na o ka say omo de san 7 to wanim no. So munya information wey say ne na about one mekoso.
Oh, them Ramusi, Edin na so to da amina me saying there. Am there. And yet concern members in an or ye back the minority and other indiscipline. A binuma so can one meetings a warrior who you know warmer a binum information. Inti dam no nam da won so worry nya when information in a pobia war born in wa be de gwanin.
Okay, inti na omo nim senka abato no bekoso nti omo no ko lay ambush na say omo ekọ cheke senka bekoso a na ekwan bia so ko betu bi.
Won so wo ozin podi wozi kan wo assembly ho. Ozin kan ho dem roba ya wo ba na ogbo ya gbora na chede won so wenya kwa na wetu wa akom.
All right.
Because one copy de bi obey today ma osi wa atin south ya what say na what one why late tinti wentu wa ma kwan ma wan kom nam de when you see hunu bi efiza osi wa atin south jumedin mu.
All right, Kafu mamina waseba gina suma mi ansa na me ne Lamidi Alhassan oya concern assembly member Alhassan otime nka me mo adwuma kwa baba Adom TV so
many are so
na o want to say
oh yamina dawo ma yehu ye pa
Alhassan dey ntina obefre ho concern assembly member.
Okay, I wasn't going to move forward when na yanda obi bia last na yan amount for sa what to abazima yan so yanda wana there e jiranem de yango ina asu wona wasu mayan mo waka da yanka yan na ya be ya zamu wasn't kanu concern assembly members, assembly members, I kept Coast Metro. Yashan Zama Kuni Bimbia, all Kodo Omboa, Yen democracy in the Nachina. And until I also yepede where the right thing wasn't the good people of Cape Coast. Sebeta Fache, Nda Zayarian, sooner or later, whether good or bad, there are a lot of implications.
Okay.
Which maybe whether we are alive or not, people are going to stand on what we did and justify. Until the right thing for the good people of Cape Coast.
Okay.
I'm at the assembly on not my will, the will of my people.
Okay.
It's in a more assembly.
All right. Until last time it say the all can I see and not concern assembly members. No more the NSA said the right thing is done, right? Eti say the right thing am we say we to abetia o mampani nominee no.
On them say kadama me yin yadwin. Sebeta fache yan brother e jalen chill. Yin na yi juma da. Abra wo bonizin first one. Yin na yi juma 4 years. Na wasa na bonizin biyo. Na yan amanfo mo wa kan na yezi juma.
Mon crofo ne kan say omo kan dey na omo ka kire mu.
Ami eba me electoral area. Me amanfo senti kwa waka echa ami there momon to aba mon fam man.
Wo electoral area na ye hefa.
Country aikwa electoral area.
Okay.
Aba ikwa yan public toilet away si. Me amanfo Adom TV be won interview. Ebinum po pan there say mo kokoto aba na mpaman kamodo. So when Bobo one toilet na mona. And I'm also a catch on there, Panyano, Maso more Mr. Penwagin. Or don't want to ask mum. Maso more with the Penwagina. Or send them with one way film. No more to me at the right and Mazamon. And so I had a better fight a yabu president in Sia. Then Trium president in Sia.
Oh, that be say on nominate to be na mo tutia na no chese mo bum nanim tia chese ni panom mpe no simple and chese mo bum nanim tia na said the okay we a group of assembly members na mo ye concern no mo other group members no so mo a challenge and so mo how ben and mo wo sa nominee ho
wonder say no kona yam pede ye ka kira ye ho atasa the better fact say ekoto impuo befie na enyana do na ekoto impuo befie na ekwe ebe na se wumpo no wayewa wona no send edison. Hello. To
aso mama na mpoa ne ade na nyeni nyina na mete ase papa.
Nti azo all kodo onye the only nyana what ye concern.
Kwadu de na esa adwe na so bisa no. Kwadu de.
Ano na yin wo fie. Point am them making because election ya ye kwai mo no mun san bebre. Yin na yin no fa ba na yin be do okay tisi. But sometimes I hear the concern assembly members, all of us, all the people of Cape Coast are concerned assembly members because we represent them. Because their views is what we are going to put on the table at the assembly. It's yan amount for no kasa, yan kasa. Atasa, yan amount for no kasa.
All right.
There.
Na, and request mo NDC for.
So Ghana is NDC and MPP.
Entimu ya NDC for.
Maybe so some Ghana and MPP and NDC.
And you know, Cressa, you PPP ne CPP ne PNC ho. Yeah.
Some of us when they NDC for. I'm them NDC, and everybody knows in the whole country. Everyone missing Rollins boy and Epic man. They're named the NDC. But I represent my people, not party.
It's not just a representation now here, and politics now here.
I mean your politics. The concerns of my people, and Namakasam.
All right. The ATN is more concerned for munya information. Senka, nipa bi sneaky na abatono no omwato without more. Some information munya no way.
That information is. And when there was a banwa so, as na why you two pono kai dinwa sama definitely a kurba culture. Because on your piano otten, he beat the binasam. And as and there's nothing like security in it too. That was why I was able to speak. there's nothing like secret. Because some of us have been tagged, and other people have also been tagged. Another group have also been tagged. So we communicate with each other.
Alasan, sa edan waso abebuo ni ntino nipa bebre e gina so e de ma false alarm. Ntina me specifically baby a onya information ni free ye no.
Assembly na you want. We are brothers, we are friends. We are colleagues, so we talk to each other.
It will from the other side and the mam information say and on my plan so be.
Samakadama, I'm not being fair to the no colleagues on other side because some of us meaning baby information about young group woman information there. This is what is about to happen.
So it might have been a mere rumor be atwatwenu keke. And there your era of fake news and I'm also fire na mo atogu mu na ase de ni bre ni abufu bi e ba ne ade. Ana
yes, the Chinese say this time around and the ekosu were kept kusuno. And yeah, obiana ekosu. And within ya kasa yemuno kasa ya kasano. What I say? Because every smoke there is source of fire in it. As I hear on information, they go with fair. Sometimes somebody don't want to disclose the identity of the person or the information.
Matthias,
and we then see, then we make a safeguard just for right thing to be done.
And none of a time when I'm could do assembly hono, maybe a talk come to Abano.
They say, me, sorry, Yana, no bar assembly. Now,
5 o'clock. 5 a.m.
5 a.m. Yeah.
Hey.
Me a Muslim. And to me, sorry, you know, I have nothing to do. Then I have to walk to the assembly. Number two, what should I say? Possible because this time around, because of the ACC one BMBNT, we act upon that.
Not just say, what can tam pass it, you better confirm and start a party, and
yes, we want the right thing to be done.
All right, indeed, my main confirming free Nana Kwekwa, presiding member, Cape Coast Municipal Assembly, and Metropolitan Assembly, right? Now, me her say, and you be a planning be at honorable presiding member, Mema Wajum Wakaba Babig agenda so.
You, yeah, it is saying.
Adom experience in Tiaho and also honorable na ebane saying ena anka mofa kuntuna se ahihye abato confirm MC abra some of your assembly members enya way
but some honorable my colleague can enya no kwe
okay no correct mbacho kaza
enya dey between akose bebi say ekoto aba ye be meeting bia issue summons invitation for the meeting. Until we have not issued that yet. Until me who's room on BB if you buy until in any case, before I ever choose Ababiona, we'll send the summons and the letters out before we can meet again. And
in himself, presiding member, and yes, I did no. Pedia, okay, yes, I want to be painted. I was or Jenny Bagram way in Yaton chain. None what does sense out. Nipabi crab would be to train me any day. Say, Omona, Nipabi names will be on the Trabano, Edietia. Omampeni no mini no e se de twa omo ejaya time e de ma omo no beduru ona nsa bato ne ato awie eni ntine ma omo yensa munni nkomo bia asa e won chen
yendi nkomo bia asa
I know some wadi kura na wuntimi nyina pete mu nka ana
David yendi nkomo bia asa to prove a point no let them sign na e bia chana pa to as to when we are going to do the meeting nti yen bibia asa why would we do that? Because baby say amba. Won't do that. This is a metropolis. And to me, yes, I did. So continue baby now about baby. It can't be possible.
And then I'm coming baby. My next question says so. Young said that Ben a keep kuzi because a yakun kon watch it. The Ben and I'm better. I didn't put anything who can bepim Sabrina.
Oh, sir, you were 21 days.
21 days. Yeah.
Last week, Friday. Okay. You were 21 days. And within that period, you between I away. Yeah, if you say about channel, now you want to tomo bibia hobo nyina na just say my letter no we are they call out. They have a number of days ahead of them to plan income.
Oh, yeah, sure. Some next meeting, wait me confirm it, and otherwise,
it's possible. It's possible.
It would be possible confirmation.
There will be some sure say next week between confirm. Let me say it's possible.
Oh, okay. One kasa as a presiding member, no they was wanted to for, and I mean say one honorable nominee no aye adwuma for some time. Ofo say den tina about no kwa na ehwensi for me.
I mean, they are very difficult to see the mindset of every individual. In other words, every assemblyman.
But ye can no cry e ba kope. Or your papa me so say unim, onye so a unim.
Say there your papa nominee no.
Yes.
Oh, nominee is so on your papa and Kazanka president wants answer nominate no.
Someone am on it to Tibia a reporter con cry no na e papa enti ana amom pania nominated but no am on it to.
Can you papa kuna yes I report no. If papa be for processing be in answer no man penny best e be bold in pound na just we dwuma so ni. And as when you strong recommendation. When I say strong recommendation, a lot of things come into it. Or background, or performance, or modern ball party, other so many things goes into it. In the end, Papa could be never to a baby say a pesa way and I am pesa nipa way.
So they okay say answer on penny board, yes, what boy you mapa. Answer on swam on penny board, yeah, baby wash your own prenusono. Let's ask some one who pa. Anna,
I am okay.
All right. Alasan.
Yes, sir.
Presiding member say asamo amoka ni nyina no kribia enim ti ade na mbe blow false alarms ase mo pese tension bi ba Cape Coast na
no meba obiala inu a blow false alarm maka cha say ya da yan hoso intina bibi sa ekoso no because I respect our presiding member, I respect our nominee, and our presiding member, our nominee, we have good terms. Yani omu na ye ejuma no ba ko assembly no enti ejuma ne de ye beye ba so na o saka no we yende eni say is trustworthy ye jinidi sa on saka say Obama letters no we are going to expect our letters and we know that he can do it and yende ye una twemi ye hwe ni de obeye e de abo yen amechine bi edu assembly wa ejumano akọ
Alasa gidie no ejina be percentage wise gidie na wo presiding member ne other stakeholders say ampa e be ma information no enkonkọ ye se ne die no.
Oh, we have 100% assurance with them.
All right. Mami na wase mami sanko honorable presiding member na oku
boss
say Ghana for dodo na any ehwe Cape Coast because of the accounting assurance ben said the next time around because when kwane confirmation and say abatwa unya 2 sitting members of parliament in the same metropolis no press statement the warning parties not to be involved say and same bebre I say any more na Cape Coast assurance ben say sa exercise mbehwe aye na so dwema ma bibia afri ho na fe ya move on.
Oh me ma Cape Coast for Ghana for nya assurance say bibia be call peacefully problem bia amba invitations be call out enkoye 1 hour notice enkoye 2 hour notice enkoye assurance be number of days notice omo tenase omo dream say oh ya call 2 days time na 3 days time ya call aba no ya kwa bibia be well protected, nobody will be intimidated, bibia be fine. Until by the close of that day, no, Ghana for being say, I try to come, you confirm me president nominee.
All right. Alasanko.
Me jinaso.
Near tese more threatening say sempenim phone no me mistake na ba we omutu jamo a de besi no kre.
The channel say more than asoma mo presiding member kanu. Me na ya adwunu baby. Osia wa another 21 days. Anam perencho ochirem kakra ozuma etefu ina na etase.
O say from last week na nomination ne buy no more 21 days anokan.
The last term nomination by no because you are requesting for letter na every presidency but wireless messaging. You some kind stuff.
Okay. Mami sir honorable presiding member.
Honorable Lamidi Alasan. You don't need to see the letter or the renomination letter or any wireless message before you go and cast your vote. First one on service. So Honorable Lamidi will let the BNP president work. Even media men now you invite you on Honorable Dambuche invite you on for the salaries and he didn't give them any list. He asked them go to the information service website. Now we can't sit down as an assembly say let the Bianfi presidency by I should say Katasum was to say Kotraba. There's nothing like that. Into only interest and it says why ready. In the second letter no about better. You don't need to see any letter. You don't need to see any letter.
Now letter number there. Letter number there.
I mean it shouldn't be a hindrance.
No, me but letter number there. Say letter no any basis for about one number to nina abadie.
That's about last week. The first one I had to so man requested for letter. So I'm surprised now he's talking about letter. Because
if there now or more doubts, or more sure papa say letter be abasa.
Want to mean you see on my penny di and find the agrosa. So my penny for letter buyer. Me to me I police, I electoral commission, I judge, I way, I assembly members. So you can't do that.
But honorable member,
letter buyer. Nobody can go and do that.
Honorable member, is it too difficult to say? While assembly members are no munyina ewo chamber na assembly hall na omo doubt we now be release letter na mo kra say on person mu hu a. Is it too difficult?
It is not difficult, but it's not my responsibility anyway.
Okay.
It is not a difficult thing, but that's not my responsibility. Mine is to preside over the meeting, over the voting exercise. All
right. Nana Kwakua Uku, presiding member Edema Cape Coast Metropolis yeda si bebre na la me dia last answer so yeda si yame adom a if you watch na letters ne ba e be di akire se tie bia de kodi ani behwe say the right thing and ayaye e wo Cape Coast na bibia akokama medi nana se ampofoje na se nkoma McBride director na fe ne Mr Dodu oni na kwada logo so hwe sound na Kofi Asan and me producer is your hene and executive producer e be say shi achina